You know what I'm saying? I ain't bring all of that, but I brought a little bit of this shit out. You know what I'm saying? Shit like this. Just kicking it, bossed up, caught the lid like that. Need a bad little bobble.
Yeah, more for me.
Yeah, it's some shit like this, you know. My wallet chain called rats and shit, things of that nature.
How many fingers looking at?
I got two, check this out. I got two of these, one two-tone rose gold, one two-tone gold. That's zone 6, that's my hood, nigga, Glacier Boy. Yeah, and we ain't trading no jewelry, nigga. I got every chain I ever bought, every earring I ever bought, nigga. Trade what? Who? Who don't do no trade?